Hello everyone, what you're about to learn in this video has been reviewed and approved by experienced mechanics at the shop, so relax, this problem can be fixed. If your Acura MDX shows the message Emission System Warning or Check Emission System, don't panic. It doesn't mean your car is polluting like an old factory or that it's about to blow up tomorrow. Basically, the emission system detected that something isn't quite right, and like a responsible Acura, it's warning you before the issue gets worse. Now, the very first thing almost all mechanics recommend, and yes, it sounds ridiculously simple, is checking the gas cap. This warning shows up very often just because the cap is loose, damaged, or wasn't tightened properly after filling up. When that happens, the EVAP system detects a vapor leak and triggers the alert. Tighten the cap until you hear a few clicks, drive for a few days, and in many cases the message disappears on its own, like nothing ever happened. If the warning is still there after that, the next logical step is to scan the vehicle. And pay attention here. This warning is generic. It doesn't tell you exactly what's wrong. That's why both mechanics and forum users strongly advise against guessing or randomly replacing parts. A good scanner will tell you whether the issue is coming from the EVAP system, oxygen sensors, the catalytic converter, or even a sensor sending incorrect data. When checking the codes, one very common cause on the Acura MDX is failing oxygen sensors. These sensors measure how much oxygen is coming out of the exhaust and help adjust the air-fuel mixture. When they start to fail, the car usually still drives fine, but the emission system complains. Many mechanics say that after replacing the faulty sensor, the warning disappeared and fuel economy even improved. Along the same lines, another frequent suspect is the EVAP system itself. Cracked hoses, a bad purge valve, or a failing charcoal canister. All of these parts control fuel vapors, and when there's a leak, the system notices. This is where shops usually perform a smoke test to find exactly where those invisible vapors are escaping and annoying the computer. Now, if the scanner shows a code related to catalytic efficiency, then we're talking about the catalytic converter. This component is responsible for cleaning the exhaust gases, and when it's no longer doing its job properly, the Acura detects it. It's not the most common issue, but it does happen, especially on high-mileage MDXs. In those cases, the message won't go away until the underlying problem is fixed. There are also situations where nothing is physically broken, and it's just a simple electronic glitch. Some people who came into this shop reported the warning appearing after disconnecting the battery, doing maintenance, or even due to low voltage. Sometimes clearing the code or driving through a few normal drive cycles calms the system down, but if there's a real issue, the message will eventually come back. The key thing to understand is that most of the time you can continue driving without any major issues, as long as the check engine light isn't flashing and the vehicle doesn't feel strange. That said, ignoring the warning for months isn't a good idea, because what starts as a cheap sensor can turn into a much more expensive repair later on.